New models of professional scrubber dryers are introduced every year, but the limitations remain the same. Weight and dimensions, poor manageability, reduced autonomy, and an energy consumption that often exceeds 1,000 watts. Today, something has finally changed. Introducing the all-new Scrubber Dryer range by Victa Floor Care. Did you know that Victa has been making mighty commercial cleaning machines for over 75 years? These decades of commercial cleaning know-how has led Victa to launch this innovative Scrubber Dryer range. So what's different about Victa Scrubber Dryers? These Victa machines use a single motor that power both the suction turbine and two brushes, ensuring deep and silent cleaning. A compact, lightweight, and easily manageable equipment which requires only 300 watts. A consumption so low and sustainable that has allowed the company to abandon the heavy lead-acid batteries of 80 kilograms and to enjoy the great benefits of the lithium batteries, which weigh from 3 to 5 kilograms and recharge in just 2 hours. It has a total autonomy of up to 4 hours and 1,000 recharge cycles, practically inexhaustible. Last but not least, Victa is the only company to offer 3 years warranty on the whole range. Contact us for more information.